Hi guys, so let's see how to do a factory reset on your Windows 11 computer. So first of all, right click on the start button and then click on settings. Now click on update and security, and now from the left menu click on recovery, and now here under the reset this PC section click on reset PC. Now you have two options. First is keep my files and another one is remove everything. So if you don't want to get your files deleted, you can choose this option. If you want to start totally afresh and remove everything, you should choose this option. So let's say you choose keep my file option, which is recommended as you are not losing your file. Click on this. Finally, click on next and the reset will happen to your Windows 11. That's it guys. Please do like the video to support.